Welcome, ESL teachers. Today, we're going to learn how to play Scrabble, a fantastic game for enhancing your students' vocabulary and spelling skills. Let's get started. Scrabble is a classic word game where players create words on a game board using letter tiles. Each tile has a different point value, and the goal is to score the highest points by forming words. It's perfect for ESL classrooms because it encourages students to think about spelling, vocabulary, and strategy. To set up the game, you'll need the following items: a Scrabble board, 100 layer tiles, 4 tile racks, and a bag to draw tiles from. Each player starts with a tile rack and draws 7 tiles from the bag. Make sure to keep your tiles hidden from other players. Let's go over the basic rules. Players take turns forming words on the board using their tiles. Words can be placed horizontally or vertically, but never diagonally. The first word must be placed on the center star square. Subsequent words must connect to existing words on the board. Each letter has a point value, and the score for each word is the sum of these values. Special squares on the board, like double letter score and triple word score, can boost your points. Here is how you play Scrabble in your ESL classroom. Divide the class into 4 teams. Each team can have an equal number of students. Place the Scrabble board and tiles in the center of the classroom where everyone can easily access them. If you choose the digital version, show it on the screen and make sure everyone can see it clearly. Each team takes turns sending a representative to draw 7 tiles from the Scrabble bag. These tiles will have letters on them, and each team will use these letters to create words on the Scrabble board. Once each team has their tiles, they'll work together to create words using the letters they have. Teams will take turns placing their words on the Scrabble board. Words can be placed horizontally or vertically, and they must connect to existing words on the board. If a team cannot form a word with their tiles, don't worry. They have 2 options. Option 1. Exchange tiles. They can exchange some or all of their tiles for new ones from the bag. Simply put the tiles they don't want back into the bag, mix them around, and draw an equal number of new tiles. Remember, the team can only do this once per turn, and it counts as your turn. You won't place any tiles on the board this turn. If a team cannot form a word with their tiles and chooses not to exchange any tiles, they can pass their turn. They would simply skip their turn, and play would continue with the next team. After each turn, when the team places a word on the board, they will need to replenish their tiles. Here are steps to replenish tiles. Count the number of tiles you used to form your word. Draw an equal number of tiles from the bag to bring your total back to 7 tiles. Make sure you always have 7 tiles at the beginning of your next turn. Points are awarded based on the letters used in any bonus squares on the Scrabble board. Each letter has a point value, and some squares on the board double or triple the score of a letter or word. Teams should keep track of their score as they play. Once all tiles have been played or the game has ended, tally up the scores. The team with the highest score wins the game. And that's how you play Scrabble in ESL Classroom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks for ESL teaching. Happy Scrabble!